guys, this is Andrea from Dynatos Strongest Equipment, and today I'm building the pins that will hold all the weight on the rack that I'm making. So let's start. I've centered this round stock of steel. This is 60 millimeter in diameter, and I need to go a little bit under this. It's longer because after that I need this piece for another work, and I think that we can start machining and follow me during the process. Let's start machining. I think that we can flip it back and work on the other side like this. Okay. Not here, here. What happened? Maybe I need more coolant. It's 50. I think that 56.6. So I think that I will go with another mill depth of cut, maybe also 2. So if it's too much or it's fine. Maybe it's too much. I don't know. I don't know why this is my lathe to do something like this. If anybody knows, I'm pretty new to the lathe, so give me some advice. Let's see if we are good with the measurement. We are on 45.9. So we are 1/10 off. Okay. Let's go like this. Then I can now I can put in this. Now I switch to the drill bit that is 8.5 millimeter because I need to tap after at M10, but which is the problem right here. I need to go in about 80 mil, and I don't know if the drill bit is long enough. So 80 it's like this, so maybe I should do this in 2 pass. Let's try. Now I can switch to the shelf here. I would like to put a little bit of chamfer at the end, just because when I insert it up in this way it could be easier. Just like this. I switch off the lathe and I put in this one, the tap. I don't have a tap follower, so what I'm going to do is put in like this, push a little bit with the hand, and let's see if I can. Okay, now I didn't lock the tailstock, so what I'm doing is tapping just by rotating the chuck. Okay, so now the next step is cut to length this piece. Of course I could do this on the lathe, but I don't have a partitioning tool, so I'm going to do it on the bandsaw. As you can see, we have a threaded hole inside. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. It's this one, but I'm really happy. So guys, here we are on the bandsaw. But before, I need to remove this little ring. Okay. Okay guys, so usually I take like a washer. I put the washer here just to be sure that in this way the measure will be the same for the cut that I'm going to do, but also if I remove this, the piece is free to fold. So let's go with the first cut. To finish to cut the piece here. As you can see, it's a little dirty, but I'll clean it. So let's go to the next step. Guys, those are pieces that I cut with you in the first video, and now I need to the bar inside the tube. Of course, also on the other side. Okay, now this tube has a little weld inside on this line. If you look inside, you can see the weld. We have to remove by grinding it with the little grinder that I have over here. This is a grinder that I bought on Amazon, and now I show you how I grind this. I need also to grind this part. And for us it's time to see if we made a good job on the lathe. So I take a magnet and I think that it's a perfect fit. Now we need to weld, then grind off all the weld. So I've set up all the equipment for the welding. I'm gonna MIG weld this part and let's see how it looks. Okay, I put these 2 points on, and now I'm going to put this and weld all together. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is all welded up. The last thing that we have to do is grind it off, and then that part is finished. So for this job I chose an angular grinder, and I'm going to grind off all the weld that you see here. Let's see how it looks after all the grinding. So guys, this is the part almost complete. So as you can see, I've almost finished this part. I'm pretty happy. Now I need to make other 7 pin for the rack, and as always I hope that you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye!